Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I'm about to do my Sephora unboxing. If you watched my previous video, you saw that I did my Walmart Beauty Box, which is a quarterly subscription. Sephora's subscription box is monthly, and it's about $10.83, I think, a month. I think you still get points for the box. They used to give out bonus perk cards, which I hardly ever remember to use. Now they don't give them out anymore, so I don't know. Maybe no one else used them either. I don't know. And the Play Award goes to is the theme. So I think this box's theme might be, okay, the competition was fierce, but these are the beauty winners that rose to the top this year. So it's going to be all their best for the year of 2019. So again, the plastic bags. They have sent out a letter, an email, or whatever, a notification. These are 100% recyclable, which is great. If they don't end up in the trash and some poor fish or duck gets his head caught stuck in it. But whatever. That's just my Earth First. Okay, I don't like the bags. That's all there is to it. Okay, Tarte. The first thing I pull out of the bag is the Tarte Drink of Hydration, Drink of Water, Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. Is this a moisturizer? I don't use Tarte stuff. I know that they're very popular and they are natural products. I just don't use them. I do like their maracuja oil, and I haven't used it in a long time. If they would sample me that, I would get a ton of use out of that. Ooh, the Bum Bum Cream. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream by Sol de Janeiro. This stuff is awesome. It smells so good. It smells so good. The other one that they sent, the blue one, which is a coconut scent, I actually do use, have that. I didn't use it all, but it smells good. I don't like the taste of coconut, but I do like the scent. So I put that by my bed so I can moisturize my hands before I go to sleep. I don't know why, I just do. That's the second favorite thing of the year. And Urban Decay All Nighter Long Last, I don't know why I'm trying to focus it because it's backwards. Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I think we just got this in like the previous box. So now I have two. Or, well, maybe I just opened it. I already had it. I'm not sure when it came, but I did just open it not that long ago. The next thing in the bag, are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I guess there's already 6 things. Bobbi Brown's Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick. Oh. I did not know this was one of the favorite things of the year because I've never received one. Golden pink is the color. I love pink stuff. I love pink, a lot of things. Pink lipstick, hot pink workout clothes. And this is a pink highlight or something. This doesn't look very pink though. Shadow stick. So it's a eyeshadow. So it's gonna go. For me, it's either gonna go to highlight my brow bone, or it's gonna go right here on the inner corner or the lower, close to my eyelid, lower part of my upper lid. I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup, but these are really pretty. This does a really good job since I have hooded eyes. That type light color does a really good job of highlighting the lower portion of my eyes. So when my eyes open, it makes it appear a little bit larger and not so overcast because it's hooded. Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. These are nice size samples. I don't use this brand, so I will be gifting this to someone. And the last thing in the bag is the Anastasia Beverly Hills tiny little thing that I am not sure what it is. Oh, Dip Brow Gel in dark brown. It's a brow gel. I have very light eyebrows. They're not really thick. They're not really hairy. They're not really a lot of anything. I use a very small pencil. Not small, but I use a eyebrow pencil and that's it. I don't do a lot of work on those. I trim them, but I don't I'm not a big old brow person, so this is definitely going to someone else. Because I can't use that. I mean, I won't. I won't. So, all in all, I'm keeping these two things. And in January, I think I'm canceling my box. I might see what the new year brings. Not sure. But more than likely going to cancel this box in the new year. I'm just not. I have not been as satisfied the last few months with the majority of the things in the boxes. So I can't really justify to continue doing it. I have enjoyed it for the most part. I think I've been doing it for a year or two, maybe. And for the most part, in the beginning, they were fun and exciting, and they were, a lot of really good things. I feel like I just got this either a month or two ago, so to get it again is a waste to me. And yeah, so a lot of things I just don't end up using. So anyway, that's that. But overall, I have generally been satisfied with the boxes. It's just recently I feel like it's not been as satisfying. Sephora's monthly box is $10. Now they have and it used to be, you had to be on the list or whatever. Now they have a variety of different types of boxes. So I'm actually might venture into a different type or style of box that they offer. I'm going to actually look at their website and research that a little bit. If I do that in the new year. And then again, I could just save that money and, save it. What a concept, right? Because I do plan on moving next year, so that would be helpful. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you got something in your box that you're really excited about, or if something in my box excites you, let me know. Let me know if you got something that you absolutely love, that it was one of your favorite things of 2019. I mean, this was really nice to have in 2019. I just used it for my hands. I use a lot of different moisturizers. So another one that's really scented didn't really blow my mind. I mean, it feels good, and I know it's a cult favorite and that kind of thing, but and this moisturizer I know I'm not going to use, but I do know someone who loves Tarte. So Bailey, that's coming to you. Okay, thank you again for watching. You guys have a great week. Peace.